Hey everybody, it's Derek Wiley from Fast Cars and More. Today I got a 2010 Ford F-150. It's my neighbor's. He asked me to swap out his blinker lights. I guess on the left side didn't went out, but he got me 4 bulbs, so I'm assuming he want them changed on both sides. I don't think it's going to be a hard thing to do. It's just a couple bolts here at the top, one at the bottom on both sides. That's holding this lens in, and I'm assuming it should pop right on out once I take those 2 bolts out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these bolts off and get this slid out, and once I get that done, I will start the video back up. Alrighty, so that took little to no time actually. So those 2 bolts were just holding it in place. Use an 8mm socket to take those bolts off, and once I took them off, this just slides straight back. Just slide it off straight back, and then I'm gonna be switching out this top bulb here and this bottom bulb down here. And from looking at this, it's just gonna twist and to unlock it and twist to lock it back in. So that shouldn't be no big deal. You can figure that out yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these bulbs switched out, and then I'm gonna do the headlights next and get you a video of that. All right, so this part 2 of the video. I'm doing the headlights right now. So this was really easy too to get out. I went ahead and disassembled it because it was my first time and I knew I wasn't gonna be able to do it with just one hand. So I'll kind of show you from the passenger side. You have 1 bolt here, another bolt here, and then right here it's like a plastic clamp. It's got a Phillip head on it. All you have to do is apply pressure from the back side, and what I did was just use this little pry bar here, put some pressure on the back side, and then just use a screwdriver like I'm taking out a screw, and it came right on out. And once you take that out, there's 1 more bolt behind the flap. This right here, it goes right there. So you got 1, 2, 3 bolts holding this assembly in. And once you take that bolt out, I just gently slid it out and it came right on out. And you have access to your bulbs right back there. So it's a really quick process. There's nothing to it, but he was willing to loan me his truck so I could make a video. So there you go. If you have any questions, just comment below. And as always, I appreciate the likes and the subscribes. And again, this is a 2010 F-150. Thanks.